Hello guys, and welcome to another video. Today we have a special product for you. In these days, if you are going with your car on the road, it's very important to have all the safety features possible. But mainly due to the traffic, which has turned very aggressive, especially in my country, we are number 2 on the most accidents lists in Europe. Well, you need to have a dash cam in order to be somehow protected from aggressive drivers, other things that could happen when in the traffic and so on. But I'm not going to show you a regular dash cam because I have something special. It's the Mangoal dash cam, which is an OEM-Style dash cam. This means that if you have a compatible model that you can find on their website, this is the link. If you have one of these models, you will be able to integrate this camera seamlessly, and most of the people will not even notice it's there. All the universal dash cams need to have a power supply, a power cable, and this makes them a little bit trickier to install because you will always have that power cable in your point of view while driving. So today I'm going to install this to a BMW X3 made in 2013. And before we do that, I want to show you what's in the box if you will order this device. First thing, we have some papers right here. Also the GPS module installation position diagram if you want a GPS module, QR codes for an installation video, the camera itself, which looks like this. So this is the camera. This will be installed on the BMW X3 near the rear view mirror. It comes with the power plug, which will be connected somewhere here. On this side we have the buttons for making pictures or turning the camera on or off. And on this side we have a micro SD card slot. Simple and very effective. Of course, there is also the GPS module included in the box, so we can install this one as well. And a micro SD card, a 4K speed. It has a memory of 64 gigs. The camera will automatically record on this micro SD card, and of course with the dedicated app that I'm going to show you in a minute, everything can be accessed in your smartphone. Of course, the attention to details is very important, so the guys from Mangoal also included this plastic removal trim tool, which is very useful to have. Okay, that being said, now that you have seen the full package, let's go on and install the camera, then show all its functions, features, some testing, some videos recorded by it, and so on. So this is the BMW. This is how the rear view mirror looks. We have this plastic right here that should come off easy. We just need to find a way to dismantle it. Yeah, something like this. Yeah, so this plastic part went off very easy. Now we have to dismantle the camera part, the camera plastic. And after we do this, we can install it on the car. So these are the connections that have to be made. These are the cables. The camera should come into a position that looks like this, something like this. Yeah, it's a perfect fit. And the sensor, which is located here, let me just show it to you. And this sensor will work without any problem. So the camera integrates perfectly. So the connection is very easy. We have this package, we have this cable in the package, and all we have to do is connect one side here, another one here, and this one to the camera. So the overall installation shouldn't take more than 15 minutes top. I think the most complicated thing is to mix the cable management in order to have everything fitted and everything hidden under these plastic rims. I'm just going to let the GPS cable out, and I'll deal with that later. And we should take this yeah. Here is a tricky part because you cannot see it. So this is not its final position, but that click means that we can that click means that we can keep the camera like this. You should hear some clicks. So this is the final position. Okay, everything seems to be fitted very good, except this part right here, which has to make a click, and it did. The next step is to install this app, which is called VDure, and this app will be used to connect to the infotainment, to the camera, to the dash cam, and using this you will have access to all the videos, all the photos, and so on. Let's see. We have to use the Wi-Fi connection of the camera. Let's start the car first. Yeah, so we are connected. Now we have to connect a memory card, and voila, we have connection. We have the micro SD card, we have video. This is how the video looks. We can, let's see, we can see the video like this. We can pause the video, we can start the video, we can take a photo. Let's see some connection, some settings. So the photo resolution can be adjusted from 2 megapixel up to 12 megapixels. The video can be recorded at full HD, 2K or 4K. Yes, the loop recording can be set up from 1 minute up to 3 minutes. Speed unit can be adjusted from kilometers per hour or miles per hour. It can sense a collision, and you can set up the sensitivity of that sensor, low, middle, and high. I'm just going to set to middle. It has a parking monitor, which also a collision sensoring. We can set up the parking monitor to 12 hours, 24 or 48 hours. We can format the SD card. We can turn the volume for the speaker. Everything is recorded right here. And I'm just going to show you in a moment with this recording. So we have all the data, 20th of December, the hour, the location. Yeah, we have the location, which is very important, the speed and everything. Let's just let the recording go for a couple of seconds. And also we have the GPS, the strength of the signal of the GPS, which is also working. And here we have the location of the car, the moving speed and everything. And it's I believe it's great. Okay, so let's pause the video, and you should see that the recording still works. So the camera is still working even if we stopped the record. Now I'm going to pause it, and I want to listen to it. The microphone. So right now the microphone is working. I'm just going to turn off the engine. Very nice. And now I want to show you some footage from the actual camera. This is a test for the video. This is how the camera looks like with the microphone turned on. It will record every sound in the car. And what's most important is that the app is also showing the altitude, the speed, the direction of the traveling, and you can see in real time where your car is. This is very, very nice, and unfortunately my Dacia Duster is not compatible with the Mangoal dash cam, because it's a very, very nice device to have. Everything works seamlessly. You don't have wires, you don't have anything except if you use the GPS, but the GPS will also be hidden. So as you can see, everything fits very, very nice. And if you are driving and want to take a photo quick, you just press this button and it will make a photo. You can also do this by using the app, the phone, and yeah, it's the perfect device to have on your car, especially for this seamless integration. I really like it. I actually love it, and hope that someday they will make a fitting model for Dacia Duster 3 or any other model that I will own at that time. Another great feature is that you have all the tracks, so all the roads that that the car went, you have it saved on this log. Very, very nice. Another great feature about the Mangoal dashcam is that you can buy one for the front, which is integrated like this, but you can also connect one to the back, no matter what model you have. So besides the GPS and the front camera, you also can buy a rear camera, which is very, very nice. That being said, the Mangoal dashcam is super reliable. It has a cool look, and its design is more than useful because you don't have any cables, and once you connect it, it will stay there and you basically forget about it. Another great thing about the app is that if you want to download a video, let's say this one, well, it downloads very, very fast. The video has 372 megabytes, so it will download in approximately 1 minute or even less. So this Wi-Fi connection is very fast. Furthermore, you have the GPS, which is another must. And if you choose the rear camera as well, you are covered with videos from the front and from the back, especially useful when driving on the highway. And this makes the Mangoal dashcam a must-have on your vehicle. So check out the website right now, check out the link in the video description, choose your model and drive safer on the roads with the Mangoal dashcam.